All right, this is another easy question set. We're finding the slope of the equations. So looking at A, it is in what we call slope-intercept form. Y equals mx plus b. We always say that the slope is married to the x. So if you notice, the x is right here, the second term. So our m is going to be next to the x. So our m for answer choice A is going to be negative 1/4. On B, this is in point slope form. So that's y minus y1 equals m times x plus x1. Again, it's next to the parentheses, next to the x. So it is still married to the x. So our slope is 1/3. All right, C is the one that is more challenging because in order to identify our slope, the easiest way to do this is to make our think that the B, so think this is in standard form. So AX plus BY equals C. Your slope when it's in this form is negative A over B. Since your A is positive here, that becomes negative 6. Your B is negative, so that becomes negative 2. So then a negative divided by a negative is a positive. 6 divided by 2 is 3. So our slope is 3. That is one way to do it. Another way to do it is to go ahead and convert it to slope-intercept form. That means I need to move the term that is not with y. In other words, we want to solve for y. So that means I need to move, or rather cancel the 6x term. In order to cancel the 6x term, I need to do opposite twin. So then I'm going to rewrite this as negative 2y equals negative 6x minus 14. Now I'm going to divide by the coefficient with y and divide everything by negative 2. So that becomes y equals 3x plus 7. Our coefficient is married to the x. That is our slope, 3. That concludes that problem.